everyone, it's Caroline from Paradiso Insurance, and I'm here with just a few tips on how to avoid claims when you're in a landscaping business. So one of the first things you want to do is to encourage your teammates to always ask questions, even if they may feel that it's a stupid question, because a lot of times the stupid questions are ones that a lot of your other teammates might not know as well. The other thing we want to remind you and remind your team is to make sure that they're not rushing, whether on a job, whether back at the office. Either way, just make sure that you're not rushing. We want to avoid any injuries. We also want to avoid any property damage. You also want to make sure that you're wearing the appropriate safety attire, making sure that you have on your ear protection, your eye protection, wearing gloves. You want to make sure that you're keeping your safety at the top of your priority list. You also want to make sure that you're staying hydrated, especially in the summertime. You have one of those jobs that are outdoors, especially with the temperatures changing. It's always good to stay hydrated. You also want to make sure that you have ongoing safety meetings, that you're reviewing these things with your teammates often. That will help mitigate some claims on your end as well. You also want to, and this is a really important thing, make sure you're reading the label on all of your pesticides or any of your products, your fertilizers, your pesticides, anything that you're putting down on your client's lawn, make sure you're reading it. A lot of times these things can change, so make sure that you're always reading through them from top to bottom. Another big thing is a lot of times mistakes can happen. A pesticide that's maybe not approved for a edible fruit tree gets put on there. You might not realize it until after it's done, and then the homeowner is asking you how long they need to wait before they can eat their apples. Really important to make sure you read that label so that you can know these things ahead of time. It's also important to make sure that you're reading all of your safety messages on all of your equipment to make sure that you're using them properly. These are just a few tips to help reduce the number of claims for a landscaping business. For more information or for any other questions you might have, give us a call at 860-684-5270. Thank you.